Hey guys, Captain C.A. Richardson here from Flats Class YouTube. Hope you're enjoying the channel. If you are, please thumbs up or subscribe. Better yet, both. We're giving you a good mix here of fishing adventure, podcast, television shows, product reviews, fishing tips. We try to bring you something a couple of times a week. This week, I'm bringing you a little video where my wife and I tried out this Power Pux product, which is brand new on the market. It's an integrated powerized quick release bracket for your trolling motor. Now, I just thought it was better to show you how we used it on the fishing trip, and then we'll integrate a little bit of how-to and how this came about. But you watch the video and decide for yourself. This episode of Flats Class YouTube is brought to you by Aquatraction, your go-to solution for advanced marine flooring. Hey guys, Captain C.A. here with Flats Class YouTube. Today, going to take you on a little adventure here in Crystal River. My wife's got a day off. Her and I are going to go out and have a little fun fishing. And you'll notice that I don't have a push pole on my boat. I've got a trolling motor mounted up there on the bow on a quick release plate from Power Pux. No cords. I mean, I'm excited about getting to test this product today. But we will be out there catching fish, and we will teach you guys how to catch some stuff on some different lures. So we're going to try some new stuff out today, and I'm just excited to share it all with you. So come along with the adventures of Captain and Blondie today. You saw them and you turned and threw and you got them. You can't make it any nicer than that.
I was so accurate with this. I don't even know.
That's awesome. Not a giant redfish, but he likes pink, huh?
He likes pink.
He likes pink.
That's the girl.
Put that cotton candy miradine on there for you.
Hi there.
All right.
That's perfect.
Look at that inline hook right there. That's what you love about it.
Nice.
I watched them come up and eat it too. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now just jump off, buddy. Fatty too. Probably getting the camera lens all messed up.
Oh, a bunch of them when we came through here.
Nice fish. In you go, bud. The inline hooks. Nice and clean over the bottom. Perfect. All right, so that was my first day getting to utilize the Power Pux quick release with the trolling motor. First time. And I gotta admit, it is a lot cleaner, a lot safer, and knowing it's corrosion proof and without fail, I can't see why anyone wouldn't want one. You can see how clean the rigging is right here. Everything is under deck. So everything goes through the hull. It's run down here. I'll lift this up. you can see the power cords come from underneath. They come right down and right to your battery packs. Nice and clean. No need to have the tethered cord across the deck anymore. No more need for that either. So all you need to know, cleaner, safer, and I'm thinking pretty corrosion proof. I mean, that's gonna give me a lot more hours to enjoy the trolling motor when I use it. No, hell hasn't frozen over, I'm using it. And less time at a repair shop where you're worried about, okay, the plug got corroded, the receptacle got corroded, I got a break in the wire somewhere where it got pinched in a scissor. All that eliminated with Power Pux. Go to pwrpux.com and check it out. The pink?
Yeah, well, this one doesn't. This one likes the beach within ground.
Nice.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
I'll tell you what, this is a good little run in here. There's been plenty of fish in here.
This is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Caught it twice. Just to be safe.
Let me just get it out of them.
Beautiful.
I can get it out of that side, then I can pull it off this side. In the water before I could do a thing. You're doing great. Man, I can't even get a rod out there without you hooking up. You get a bait out there and you're...
It's a good day.
Yeah, you're kicking their butts.
This one's a little smaller than the last one.
Hey, you know what? They're all good fish, girl.
Not that much smaller.
Yeah, it's pretty
Decent.
respectable.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's actually nice. Let me make sure I didn't.
Yeah, I can see that.
I had to get a couple of those hooks in them.
All right, let me show you. Hey, before we get back to the fishing action, I want you to come along with me over to Hells Bay Boatworks where we had the Power Pux installed. I had my friend Dan show up on a Saturday. That's right, he showed up for me on Saturday. Paul, the owner of Power Pux, came over to see the oversight on the project as we put it on the Marquesa. Check it out. All right, I'm here with Mr. Paul Payne. He is the inventor or the founding father of the Power Pux. Now, what are some of the benefits and features of this new quick release for trolling motor vans?
Well, I'd say number one, CA, is that we've eliminated the power cord and the plugs that run across the decks that are safety hazards and the corrosion issues. Some of these deck plugs are like a funnel for water to get down in your dry storage below that. So we tried to eliminate all these worries and frustrations by coming up with the product that has the plugs built into the quick release bracket, so that as soon as you set the trolling motor on the boat, it's already plugged into the battery and it's ready to go.
Yep, yeah. It's powered. It's powered. And it eliminates its safety issue. It's a much cleaner look on my skiff, I can tell you that. There's no draping of a cord across the deck and plugging it here on the bulkhead anymore. We've eliminated all of that. So this is super clean, easy to install. You can install this by yourself, even though I got a trained professional there doing mine. You can do this on your own, and you can retrofit an existing trolling motor with this quick release bracket.
That is correct. We designed it to match up with the same standard mounting pattern holes that the other products are using, so that if you want to switch from one to the other, you can just pull yours off, use the same screws to mount our product on. They're all versatile, and it doesn't change the deployment of the space between the shaft and the boat or anything like that. It's just
and we all
swap and go.
And we all know that the number one cause of trolling motor failure is typically corrosion. And this is going to eliminate this. This is your vaccination for corrosion.
That's
the
right.
Power Pux.
Power Pux.
Got to take that at the right angle so that you get into the forward compartment here, because that's where the power source comes through and plugs into the bottom of this bracket, because this bracket actually eliminates the plug, because now the power source from the batteries in the hatch go directly underneath that bracket. And at Hells Bay we have some backing called, is it phenolic? Phenolic. I always enunciate it the wrong way. But the stuff is 100% screw retention, and you do not have to worry about anything backing out. So this will permanently put the plate on there. And if you guys don't have a puck, if you already have an existing trolling motor, you can get the refab kit where it'll fit any puck and do the same thing, because this Power Pux has been thought out very well so that it accommodates all the major manufacturers, from Power Pole to Motor Guide to even Minn Kota, Rodan, you name it. It's got an adapter for all of that. And we're putting 24 volts in here today. We've got the Optima batteries in there, and Dan's gonna rig this thing in series for us. For those of you that don't know who Dan is Chris Peterson's main dude on the skiff challenge. So when it absolutely positively has to be fixed in the dark at night under pressure, he's the guy. Here, and we're plugging around, and Blondie's throwing her favorite pink Mirrodine, the cotton candy. We're just gonna,
it's working too.
Yeah, it's working too. It's been working so far this morning, and we're gonna get back into the creeks now. We've been fishing this big flat out here for a while, catching a ton of speckled trout, and you popped the red too. So we're gonna start working our way back inside the creeks and see if we can just tangle with a few bigger fish. It's been fun out here with steady action, but I think we're gonna try to get inside and catch some bigger fish.
I'm not sure. The little red fish?
Yeah, another red. Another red. Go ahead and power pull us down. Alright, we stopped. Let's see what you got for me here. New bait, new lease on fishing.
A little bit bigger.
A little bit bigger. It's kind of I like that little Texas eye bait. Easier to manipulate. Rotate it out.
Very nice. Look how pretty that tail is.
Decent little fish. In you go. Put you right back in the game. You're good.
Thank you.
Let's do that again. fire out a redfish.
Yes.
Just want you to catch a really big one.
All right, let's see here.
Down goes the power pole.
Watch yourself up there. All I need is for that to happen. It did happen.
All right, you have to get him undone first. We'll be right back.
Oh, it is.
I think it's a red.
Oh, gosh, I thought it was a snook.
You've been looking for that snook though all
I've
day.
been looking for that snook all day. But this is a very respectable red.
Yes. Yes, I think I'll put the power pole down.
This is a very respectable red.
Down go the power pole. We'll get your picture taken with this one.
Yeah. This is a good one.
All right, let me work my way down. Yeah, shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Ready?
Now I'll get him. Hold on. Nice. Nice. The Texas eye fish.
There it is.
Texas eye fish. All right, let's get him undone. All right, we hit our last few stretches here. I think we're going to call it a day. What do you say, Blondie? Is it over?
I'm gonna have to call it.
Gonna have to call it. Sun's getting low. Time for us to make our way back to Crystal River and Pete's Pier. Hope you guys enjoyed the little fishing trip. We got to try out the Power Pux today, which was my quick release integrated with power puck, so that you don't have any of the cords dragging or draping across your deck. It's pretty nice. It's a very, very clean look. If you look right here, no cords, no need to plug in there. Everything is under deck. So that was the real purpose of the trip, but we ended up catching a mess of trout and a couple of redfish. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. Now it's back to the ramp. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this Power Pux review. The quick release plate for your trolling motor that has power integrated into it. Unbelievable. And I thought it was a cool way that we did it, where you could see us fishing and how clean the deck looked the entire episode. A lot of fun. Blondie and I caught a mess of fish. Hey, that's what it's all about. All right, guys, until next week, Captain C.A. Richardson signing off from Flats Class YouTube.